My passion for manufacturing started at a very young age. My great-grandmother, grandfather, and father all have had careers in manufacturing. Working at NEPIRC has given me the opportunity to see how manufacturing has positively impacted the lives of families other than my own, and the importance of a strong manufacturing sector in northeastern Pennsylvania. I'm still amazed at the amount of products you and I use every day that are manufactured right here in our own backyard. A career in manufacturing not only provides family-sustaining wages for all education levels, but also a sense of pride knowing that you had a hand in making something. And let's be honest, making things is pretty cool. I'm passionate about my career at NEPIRC because every day I get to contribute to a sector that supported my family through generations and helps ensure northeastern Pennsylvania is a region where things get made.